It's time for Caribbean News, covering current events from around the world, regionally and locally, with Sean Garrity on this station. It's news the Caribbean can use. And now, the details. National refund scheme for plastic bottles being discussed. The government of Jamaica plans to roll out a national deposit refund scheme for plastic bottles, as the current initiative by Jamaica Recycling Partners is falling way below the national target of 60% plastic bottles collection. Senator Matthew Samuda, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, said the administration would be focusing on a plastic bottle deposit refund scheme backed by legislation. He explained that the initiative aims to increase the percentage of plastic bottles collected for recycling. Providing an update on the ban of some single-use plastic packaging materials in the Senate last Friday, Samuda emphasized that the situation in no way diminishes the efforts of the plastic manufacturers by way of the Jamaica Recycling Partners initiative, or that any of the other recycling companies currently operating in Jamaica. Their efforts are to be acknowledged and congratulated. He noted, however, that the result of the noble effort are not in line with the country's national targets of approximately 60%. According to him, my information is that less than 20% of newly produced bottles are collected for recycling. The United States nationally is only at about 9%, so our ambition cannot be based solely on what others do. It has to be based on what best practices are available for us to achieve our national ambitions and our target needs to move above 60%. Samuda informed that the government will be working with all stakeholders, including the opposition. He reiterated that plastic bottles represent some 13% of the Jamaican waste stream. World Bank approves funds to strengthen primary health care in Haiti. The World Bank's Board of Directors has approved additional financing of US $20 million for the strengthening of primary health care and surveillance in Haiti project, which aims to increase utilization of primary health care services in select geographical areas and strengthen disease surveillance capacity, especially cholera. Access to quality health care is crucial to mitigating cyclical poverty, enhancing Haiti's human capital, and helping future generations reach their full potential, said World Bank Country Manager of Haiti. Haiti has been cholera-free for more than 3 years and thereby successfully eliminated it. However, more efforts are necessary in other essential health areas, as fewer than half of all children are fully immunized and only a third of women deliver at health facilities. In the aftermath of the August 2021 earthquake, the World Bank quickly reallocated $20 million from the PROCESS project to cover approximately 65% of the total construction costs in the health sector of US $31 million identified by the Post-Disaster Needs Assessment, or PD&A.
This portion of the news is brought to you by Funtastic DJs. For all your entertainment needs, it's funtasticdjs.com.
In entertainment, Chris Gayle says some dancehall DJs withhold play unless there is pay. Cricketing legend, now dancehall artist Chris Gayle, says he has had to be greasing the palms of disc jockeys for them to showcase his songs in Jamaica, as due to his earnings and net worth, many look at him as a money bag and therefore withhold play unless there is pay.
They look at Chris as a money bag, so most of them will not want to play Chris Gayle songs unless, you grease their palm.
Gayle, who goes by the moniker Universe Boss, revealed during a recent interview with Television Jamaica's Anthony Miller. In business, Tesla cars banned from China leaders meeting. Tesla cars will be prohibited from entering the Chinese coastal district of Bedelihe, site of a secretive annual summer party leadership conclave, for at least 2 months, according to local police. They didn't say why, but the firm's vehicles have previously been reported to face restrictions in China over fears their cameras could be used for spying. Julian Sadowit reports.
Tesla drivers in China may soon have to be careful where they go. From July 1st, the cars will be prohibited from entering the coastal district of Bedelihe, where a secretive leaders meeting is due to take place. That's according to a local traffic police official. He didn't give a reason for the ban, but said it concerned national affairs. China appears to view Tesla cars with some suspicion. Last year, Reuters reported that the vehicles were banned from entering military complexes, out of concern their cameras could be used for spying. In recent weeks, the cars were also reportedly restricted in one city while President Xi Jinping was visiting. Tesla cars feature an array of cameras to help with parking and other tasks. Company founder Elon Musk has always denied that they could be used to spy in China or anywhere else. Tesla has said that all data generated by the cars in China will be stored in the country. China is one of its largest markets and a major production hub.
In sports, FIFA World Athletics review transgender rules after swimming's change. World Soccer's governing body FIFA and World Athletics said on Monday that they were reviewing their transgender eligibility policies after swimming passed new rules that restrict transgender participation in women's sports.
A new rule to restrict transgender women from elite swimming is the strictest ever introduced by an Olympic sports body. World Swimming's governing body FINA voted for new eligibility rules. It effectively bars any transgender women who have gone through male puberty from competing in women's events. FINA also agreed to establish an open category for some events that it says would ensure all swimmers would have the chance to compete.
And in your Palm Beach weather, partly cloudy with a high of 86 degrees, winds northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Later on, it's partly cloudy with a low of 77, winds east-northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then in Fort Lauderdale, chance of shower or two during the morning, followed by partly cloudy skies in the afternoon. A high of 87 degrees with northeast winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Later on, it's partly cloudy early with increasing clouds overnight. A low of 76, winds northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And that was the news, entertainment, and sports with Sean Garrity. Be sure to stay tuned to this station for more news from around the world, locally, and the Caribbean.